Leave a broken world behind. I'm proud of you.
A taste of poison.
Help me!
Your fate is in my grasp.
I don't know why my game is lagging, man. You were low, you were low.
It's time for Stadium. First up, who's ready to start the push? Anna's got her eye on the prize.
Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Hello, hello. Let's see if people speak in this game.
Strap in, everyone. The game is about to begin. These teams are bringing the competition.
Zarya.
Welcome to the Armory. Time for the teams to gear up.
Helping you out. You've got what it takes.
Why my ping is so bad? My FPS is very low.
The teams have 20 seconds left to prepare for the round.
Oh, I know why it happens.
Three, two, one. Capture the objective. The objective goes live in 10.
No.
Stop.
Come here to get healed. Sword for your wounds. Reloading. Stand up straight. Healing fortified.
You had it coming.
Negative.
The robot is ours. Let's go.
But we just got here.
I could
I'm
push the
here.
barricade
Keep
much
fighting.
faster than this robot.
Take this. Come over here.
Pay attention.
I'm hurt over here.
Don't fret. I see you.
Oh. I was about to heal you, man.
My ultimate is charging. Come
Hello?
here to get healed. No.
Don't be scared.
Come over here. No.
Understood.
La.
Do not
Over
allow
here.
the enemy to proceed.
I'll keep you up.
I need that.
boost is ready to deploy.
Stop that
60
barricade
seconds
in
left.
its tracks.
I've got you.
My ultimate is charging.
Step right up.
Misery made manifest.
That must sting. I'm under attack. Taking care of you. You're powered up.
30 seconds remaining.
Fire at will.
Wow! Don't mess with the monk!
Good job.
Negative.
Our barricade is moving. Keep up this pace.
Getting drowsy.
10 seconds remaining.
冻住，不许走。Take a quarterback.
Gale the Mahal.
Experience tranquility.
Time!
Man, why me?
Robot and our
We're
destiny.
in overtime! The round is in the bag. Score 1-0. Quite the performance from these superstars.
Moira didn't like me.
Coming up, time to face off in control.
Yeah, the
Time
healers.
for our teams to work out their strategies.
Basta de cenas Sara, cara. Mi amor. A essas horas. A mamá le voy a dar yo. La quiere. Hay que pensar un poco, ¿eh? No es tu culpa. ¿Ah? Ay, ay, pobrinha.
Healing fortified.
Mi niña estaba muriendo de hambre, pobrinha.
Only 20 seconds remain before the action begins.
Crash team. Come on, man.
3, 2, 1. Capture the objective.
The enemy desires a battle.
That must sting.
The objective goes live in 10.
Patched up. Enough whining. You're fine.
The objective's online.
He's behind us, behind you. What are these healers do? Duke fell off the map.
لسه قدامي كتير.
Pain is inevitable.
You have my thanks.
No. I've got you. Sword for your wounds. I won't let you fall. No recovery. You're fine.
Good job.
My ultimate is ready. I'm here.
Let's just rip that May for fun after this game. That attitude is so ugly.
Nodding off. You're powered up. Get in there.
Buckle up. This gunslinger's loaded.
Fire at will.
Yes. Healing you. Negative.
Girl, домофон. Привет.
Come over here. please.
Experience tranquility.
I needed that.
Look at this guy's abilities.
Stand up straight.
Get in there, Beelzebub.
Step right up.
Overtime. The round is in the bag.
Nice.
Standings. 2-0. You can really tell who the playmakers are.
Job.
Up next, we're picking up speed with a payload race. It's time for the teams to consult their playbooks. The arena is calling. Our teams have 20 seconds left.
This will cut the pain.
Their healers just try to peel people.
Next point, they'll take the match.
Keep it up.
3, 2, 1. Let's get right into it.
Dynamite out.
Oh no. Let shadows consume you.
Covering you. I'm under attack.
They're leaving the opponent in the dust.
Man, this guy.
I go
Mora
back
is
on
flanking
my
us.
terms. Come over here for you. I won't let you fall.
Oh, no more of
Bye, bitch. So annoying.
Our team has to rally together to catch up.
I'm here. Keep fighting. Over here. Covering you.
Our team needs to fight hard to close the gap.
Helping you out.
Now go get him.
Healing you. Taking care of you. You're Get in there.
I don't know who I ulted.
And neck. Yes, our team has passed the halfway mark.
No recovery. Hold on, reloading. Come here to get healed. That must sting.
60 seconds left. It can't get much closer than this.
Oh, I died to the tank.
The opposing team has entered the final stretch.
Lissa och Deniktir. Come over here.
30 seconds remaining.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Our team has to rally together to catch up.
I won't let you fall. Taking damage.
Only 10 seconds left.
Reload and this. Don't fret. I see you.
Overtime. Both teams are racing down to the wire.
Enough whining. You're fine. Healing fortified. I've got you. Protecting. Get in there, Beelzebub. It's nodding off. Enemy in sight. Don't fret. I see you.
Can't handle the heat. Stay out of my way.
Eyes on a target. Headshot.
Nice, GG. Get out that shoot as well.
You love to see it, folks. Play of the game.
You're powered up. Get in there.
I am vitalized.
Look at the speeds.
Epic.
Over was cooking. Do we have something new here? Nothing? What is this? Is it Better Pass? No. Hackable. What does it mean? Oh, wait.
Reward modification complete.
What does it mean? Ah. Battle Pass related.
Tier data breached.
Welcome to the stadium. First up, get ready for control. Anna's got her eye on the prize.
around.
We're almost ready to get this game started. Folks, this is a match you'll want to watch. Welcome to the Armory. The teams are gearing up. Every choice is crucial.
They need to specify this, man. What does it do exactly?
The arena is calling. Our teams have 20 seconds left.
لا. Need this. No. أهلاً.
Hello.
ازيك.
Trick or treat.
Keep it up. Get it and feel.
Balance the mind.
3, 2, 1. Capture the objective.
I have you. Keep fighting. Healing fortified.
The objective goes live in 10.
I won't let you fall. Reloading.
The objective's live.
What are we doing, my friends? Range is low.
You'll have to try harder than that. Come over here for you.
Let's wipe them out.
Covering you.
Cover your strength.
Over here. Rest up. I've step one. Don't make it easy for me, young man. I'll keep you up. Now feast. You need this. I'm here. Keep fighting.
Receive my aid. No darkness. Pain is inevitable.
I've got you.
I've got men. Who needs them?
Big Stinger Lack.
Nanoboost is ready. Get in there, and I'll hit you. You're powered up. Get in there.
The light becomes me.
The Eye of Horus watches over you. Over here.
Your pain will be endless.
We all die, eventually.
This is trial.
Taking care of you. I'm here. Keep fighting. Targeting hot.
That's enough of that.
They suck.
La.
Activating Tiger Strike sequence.
Over here.
Surrender to my
And
will.
they take the round. Here's our score. 1-0. Some intense competition this round. Coming up next, the teams are facing off in Clash. What tactics will the teams come up with this round?
Hello, Raid. Welcome. I never seen this game before. This is Overwatch. It's a cool game, beautiful game. Look at these graphics.
The arena is ready and waiting. 20 seconds to go.
There's one tank, okay? This is the tank. These two are damagers, assault, and these two are support. And this team has the same combination: one tank, two damagers, and two healers. And the objective is to capture positions and hold them. The more you hold, the more points you get. It's a cool game, really. And this game mode is specifically stadium game mode. There are two other game modes as well, ranked and publics. This is like a tournament. You heal your teammates.
Not escape me.
The objective goes live in 10.
I'm here. Keep fighting.
The objective is now active.
Don't fret. I see you.
No, I couldn't sleep him.
Arena, Aldo. Come here to get healed.
I can't heal, don't move this fast.
Put you forward. Taking damage.
Nice. What type of character are you? I'm a sport. This one. He basically shoots the enemies and makes them sleep
Keep fighting.
Moving up to a
and boosts their ultimates abilities.
Awaits us. Your pain will be endless.
Healing fortified.
10 seconds until the objective's unlocked.
I can cancel the enemies' ultimates if I slip them.
The objective's open.
Activating Tiger Strike sequence.
Walking home.
Nice. You saw it. I slapped him.
Enemy in sight. Let us end this. I keep you up.
And they win.
Ah, what nice, we won. They couldn't capture the beacon, so we did, and we won.
2-0.
So I did almost 2k heals, 400 damage. This guy did 1,600 heals and more damage. So the more you do, the more points you get, and then you earn money to buy next abilities.
Gear up.
I'm going to go with this one. So when I ult, my ultimate is gonna boost my damage as well. And after ultimate finishes, I get 25% ultimate charge, which is going to help me to get my next ultimate. And let's go with fire rate. Fire rate is increasing, you see. So it will help me to have more and more fire rate. Faster, shoot faster. Yeah.
Absolute
Keep it up.
zero.
This team's got it. You've got what it takes. This team's got it.
The arena is calling. Our teams have 20 seconds left.
I'm in.
It's a cool game, really. I never uninstall this game. Even if I get tired, I never uninstall it. It's a cool game. It's a soldier.
We're at the match point. Just one more round and they win it all.
This is healer.
3, 2,
This is tank.
1.
Go, go,
Capture
go.
the objective.
The battle commences.
10 seconds until the objective's unlocked.
Sword for your wounds. I won't let you fall. No recovery. Keep tight.
Slot one, slot one.
Eyes on a target. Enough whining. You're fine. They have superior
We
numbers.
failed.
Stay in
Robots in
sight.
enemy hands. Enemy on the move. Stop them.
I've got you.
Alex deployed. I'll try to repay the favor.
Check you walking in.
With ult.
Nano boost is ready. Get in. I'll get you. So it's for you. You're powered up. Get in there. I'm here. Keep
Surrender to my
Tactical visor activated.
Oh, Soldier 76 is back in command.
The Eye of Horus watches
They
over
nearly
you.
have the
Can't
lead.
be
Large
hostile.
utility robot in our control.
You're covered.
Come on.
Over here.
We're on the move.
It's high noon.
No recovery.
Come on, man. This is so stupid.
I have you. Keep fighting. La
60 seconds left.
Activating target strike sequence.
He's going to ult, he's going to ult. Oh, kill him.
We have overtaken them.
You spent your ult for nothing, man.
healing you.
Allah till
Oh no. He hated me, I know it. I know he hated me.
Nano boost is ready to
Ultra
deploy.
is annihilating this game.
No, don't die.
10 seconds remaining.
Getting drowsy.
Overtime.
Stop them and it's over.
Surrender to my
You're
will.
powered up. Get in there. This will cut the pain. Close your eyes. I'm here.
An unbelievable play by Moira.
We're at the end. Don't
Nice. What a win.
We've got a replay to watch.
Get out of my way. I've got you in my sights. Plenty for everyone.
This character when ults basically goes like aimbot during his ult.
Epic. MVP.
Expected.
The expected. This game is a cool game, really. So beautiful. There are so many heroes. Look at this. So many tanks. And every character has... Oh my god, this is new one. What is this? What is this? I just saw this.
Hey gamers, I'm Yunali.
And I'm Hana Song.
And together we'll be hosting my Mecha Mania.
Like Legion from Titanfall? Yeah, maybe. I haven't played too much what's it called? Titanfall 2? Could be, I don't know. I don't know. This character is a new one. Let me check. This is a new character. What does it do?
Play together, win together. All guard.
Wow.
Breaking up opponents. Next.
Okay, tank. And what else? Shield.
Shielding.
Shield.
Bullet time. Double.
Okay. Well, it's fun.
Double kill.
And what about the ult?
Oh, you want
What my
this?
ult do?
Major. Double shut
Ooh.
out.
Oh, my ult doesn't last too long.
Shields up. Going well. Look at triple kill. 3 limbs today, huh? Quadruple kill.
Oh, it hits multiple hits with the sword. Yeah, you hit once.
Double touch.
Not bad. Okay,
Boosters hot.
it's cool.
Triple kill.
Basically, my ult first blocks their heals. They no longer can heal. We have perks too. Plasma Saber hits heal power barrier by 40 health. While holding power barrier, propulsors full cost is by 30%.
Love that for me.
Okay. As you can see, characters affected with my ult get more damage. It's cool, it's cool. So, what else? Do we have something else? This is a new tank. There is no new healers. DPS either. Yeah, only one character. It's cool. So we have unranked, 6 vs 6, quick play with role selection. You have to select your role first. Here you can select anything in the game. And here you play anything. It changes while you play the game. You can become any legend you can the game gives you. So this is competitive, open queue and role play. I like this one because you can select more and more abilities and combine them, depends your wish.
Welcome to Blizzard World. Play together, win together. Playing defense.
Look at this. I think I'm gonna play quick play, and so we can play tank. I never played tank, so I would like to try. Unranked, quick play, tank, boom, let's go.
Select a map.
I never play tank right away. Hopefully we will not suck.
Now entering.
Oh no. What is this?
Play together, win together.
Snips, snails. You know the rest.
Not that it matters to me, but try not to hurt yourselves out there.
You can play with your dad. Your dad become tank, you DPS, and someone else healers. A fun game, really.
Boosting.
Oh, we cannot fly.
Impressive. Good instincts.
3, 2, 1. Attack commencing.
Shielding.
Capture objective A.
Bullet time.
Clear attack. Using firepower.
Breaking up the bullets. Shields up. Going wild. Eagle. Oh, you want this? Shields out. I'm taking the objective. Fall in. Boosters hot. Out of here. Going loud. Boosting. Taking the hits. Using firepower.
Minor perk unlocked.
Going loud.
Let's go.
Needed that. Next one. Occupying the point. Boosters hot. Oh, you want this?
Going up.
I require assistance.
Shielding. I am so dialed in. Guns out. Coming in hot.
No. It's free, then I will play with my dad. Yes, it's free, it's free. You can download it on Steam.
Solid choice. Eagle. Bullet time. Taking the hits. Eagle. Using firepower. Picking up the bullet. Rushing air. Breaking up the bullets. Putting defense. Going loud. No machine bunny. My ultimate is ready.
He raid.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload.
I'm ready to unleash my ultimate. Shields out.
I'm taking the payload.
No. Bunny? No. I'm good. My ultimate is ready. Breaking out the bullets. Shields up. Boosters on. I'm just too good for the part. Bullet time.
Into darkness. Your pain will be endless.
I burn like the
Honey, big brain play. You're cracked. No. Juiced up. Using firepower. Got you covered. Breaking out the bullets.
Got the payload moving.
Providing cover. Bullet time. Perfect timing. I'm on fire!
Gale the Mahol.
Can you believe it?
The payload has reached
Dissolution.
engaging shield.
We must accelerate.
Honey, breaking up the bullets. Clear a path. Oh, I'm nowhere near done. Using firepower.
Can't live without me.
Shielding.
I think I see the enemy.
Oh, you want this? Shields out.
Take that, man.
Coming in hot.
Like a solar
Breaking out the bullets.
Get in there, Bob.
Double. Kill. Victory.
GG's.
Play of the game. Epic.
It's fun, it's fun. Let's play quick play DPS.
Arriving at Shadowia.
Someone needs to fill this saddle. Pardon me. You'll need more grit than that. Hey.
Taken the lead.
Hello. Uh-uh.
Ah, they left. Love it.
Welcome to reality.
Hello, hello.
No.
Someone needs to fill this saddle.
When the chips are down, I'll have your back.
No. Good work, partner.
If we do this right, they won't even know it happened.
Now that's how it's done.
There's water everywhere. Is that not a safety
Not
hazard?
bad at all.
Not bad at all.
It's going to reconvalesce. Together, we are stronger than...
No.
I forget the rest. But it was so inspiring.
4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Stop the payload.
Let's get this show on the road. Now, hold on.
Oopsie daisy.
Come on, man.
Double kill.
Just a minute.
Triple.
No.
No time to waste.
Over here!
You could teach me.
We must stop the payload. Over here.
Easy.
Come on. Oh guy, this guy is not healing well.
No. I need healing.
Got one here.
Don't move.
For the Crusaders!
Let me keep going. Guy here. Double.
Over here.
Hold up.
Minor perk unlocked.
Dead eyes ready.
Hey, not bad.
Over here. Over here.
Enemy spotted. They're removing the payload.
Enemy here.
Just a minute. You'll need more grit than that.
Got one here.
I hope I never angered you.
My ultimate's ready.
Thank you. You mean business. Over here. Hi.
I need a doctor.
What's up?
Hey.
Hey there.
I need healing.
Like a gentle rain. Welcome to orbit. Coming through. Deploying rock unit.
Oh man, I couldn't ult. Our healer's not doing good, huh? Look at this. 80 is very slow.
You make it too easy.
Dead eyes ready. It's high noon. Draw.
60 seconds remaining.
Guess I'm the air support.
Dang.
No time to waste. How's it going? Over here.
They're targeting me.
30 seconds.
No, I throw.
Clear out.
Death ain't on my doorstep yet.
Seconds remaining.
I think we won.
No. Hey there.
Got one here.
Victory. Play of the game.
Of course, man. Don't be sorry.
Epic. MVP.
Ah, impressive, if I do say so myself.
Don't be sorry, man.
Hey gamers, I'm Unali,
What does it mean?
and together we'll be hosting my Mecha Mania. You may know Mecha Squad as
Challenges.
top competitors, but this time we'll be turning the tables and competing against each other.
Each other?
Oh,
Each
you heard me.
other.
Players will vote between all 5 Mecha Squad members to see who's this year's top Mecha talent. And for the record, I'm not losing to anyone. Not even you, Hana.
Ha! We'll see about that. I know I'm not going down easy, but neither are King,
Stop talking.
Casino, or Overlord.
Just the way I like it.
Stop
Well,
it.
players, get voting.
Game on!
Stop it.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
Mhm.
Someone needs to fill this saddle.
The Emperor, the Alien, the Tyrant, and one day, the Demon.
Just one more mission.
No. Nahi. No.
I will create pathways to victory. Make sure you follow them. Proficient and efficient. You have quite the aptitude. What remarkable instinct. You bring order to chaos.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Group up.
Playing defense. Breaking up the field. Bullet time.
Teleporter taking shape. Sentry in position. You walked the wrong path. Puspedia Kapatachala. My conditions. Hello. Distributing turrets. I see you have not found clarity.
Out of here.
Namaste. No. Nothing.
You are not ready to learn.
Nothing.
Objective A.
Pranali Sindhikam.
Going loud. All guard. Forward time.
My turret was demolished.
Behind you.
Greetings. Enemy here. No.
Let's shake things up.
No. Teleporter manifested. Proficient and efficient.
Healing fortified.
From light into being. My sentry was destroyed. Placing a turret here.
Double kill.
Is it admirable virtue?
Hello. Adjusting turret placement.
Going loud. Going loud. I'm ready to unleash my ultimate. Got you covered.
Yahi! They broke my turret.
Minor
I impress myself.
jumping out. Double kill.
Nice. This will be useful.
Enemy in my
Distributing
sight.
turrets. They have disrupted my plan.
Forward time.
Sentry
Game over.
Experience tranquility.
be careful.
No.
Surrender to my will.
Man, Moira cooked us.
Perfection was photon barrier is charging.
Let us push the payload.
Group up here. Prakash se jivan.
Nano boost
Enemy
administered.
turret ahead.
This ends now.
Enemy turret destroyed. Yahi param vastavikta hai. What an enhancement.
Double
The way is clear. Moving the payload.
double
Distributing turrets.
Arms around.
Enemy contact.
victory.
Minerola.
Play of the game.
Betsy Yatova.
Dun, dun. Anna was good. Let's go.
MVP.
Someone needs to show how it's done.
Sorry for Minirola. What did we get?
Select a map.
Marlon on Toas. Hello, hello.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
I think they have changed some abilities.
Someone needs to fill this saddle. Not as quick as I used to be, but I'm still the fastest gun in the New West. Not bad at all. Good work, partner. I'll have another. I'll have another. You done? I like both kinds of music. You could teach me a thing or two.
Fantastic!
Hey there.
Hello there.
How's it hanging?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commence. Escort the payload. Your payload is endless.
Thanks, Doc. Thanks, Doc.
No!
Come on, Cole. Try a little harder.
Hey, it's Kiriko.
Hey.
Firepower. Sniper. Oh, you want this?
Now go get it.
Now, hold on.
Boosters hot.
Outnumbered. Stay sharp.
Picking up the bullet.
I feel like a new man.
You were lucky.
Using firepower. Payload stone.
Your pain will be endless. Such grievous wounds.
How you want? Just a minute. Much better.
Surrender to my will.
It's time.
Minor perk unlocked. Double kill.
This'll come in handy.
I thought you were the
Nice.
Team kill.
What's up? Let's kick this off.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
No, where am I?
No one can hide from my sight.
Bit early to dust off the boots. Group up with me.
Behind you.
Picking up the bullets.
These down.
Kill those guys.
No time to waste.
Change what?
Transporting
Ah,
the payload.
character.
Misery made manifest.
Oh my goodness, this guy. Holy shit. This guy is crazy.
Come on, Cole. Try a little harder. Hey there.
Flourish. Let us end this. I'm under attack. Recover your strength.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
Let the kitsune guide you.
Hold on.
Picking up 30 seconds.
Final moment. Strike now. Surrender to my will.
Low, low, low, low, low, low.
30 seconds.
Girl, the Mahal.
The payload has reached the check.
Nice.
Lucky shot.
Found their
My
prey.
ultimate is almost ready. Oh, excuse me.
Major perk unlocked.
Ah, beautiful. Now, hold on.
It's hand.
Gotcha.
It's hand.
Death ain't on my doorstep yet. Stay on me.
Personne n'échappe à mon regard.
You'll need more grit than that.
Nice. Good job, man.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Oh, excuse me.
There is one here.
Help me move the payload.
A taste of poison. A rapture's demise.
Let's do a good ult. No, no, no, no, no, no. That was so stupid, man.
Where was? How's it going?
Need to move the payload.
Misery made manifest.
Hello? Dead eyes ready.
Oh my god.
Not exactly what I expected. Paying you back in cash.
Pain is inevitable.
Moira! Moira!
Payload's stuck. Get it moving.
Payload is in.
Attacking me.
Ooh, that's where it hurts.
60 seconds remaining.
Let the kitsune guide you.
It's time to draw.
Retribution comes.
No, man. No, man.
I'm under attack.
They still haven't seen my ace.
30 seconds remaining.
Objective's lost if we don't get a move on.
Running out of time. Payload stalled.
Surrender. My will.
Our time runs short.
Learn that one from you. Just a minute.
Payload heading out.
Overtime.
How I missed. No, we fucked up.
The boots.
Defeat. Play of the game.
Surrender your soul.
Surrender your soul.
Recover your.
MVP.
Easy. No, I couldn't see what's inside.
Someone needs to fill this saddle. Now that good work, partner. No. Easy.
My soul ignites.
No. Hold on.
Tranquility.
Who's next?
Over here.
Sorry.
Hey.
Guns out. Providing cover. Next.
It takes two hands to clap.
Got you covered.
Easy. Push him off the point.
I mean, you try.
Minor perk unlocked.
Where there's strength.
Ow, ow, ow, ow.
Next, flashpoint.
We just came.
Dust off the boots. Not bad, if I do say so myself. Dead eyes ready. Pardon me.
Interesting.
Flashpoint unlocks in 10 seconds. Flashpoint unlocked.
Don't move.
That's what I'm talking about.
How's it going?
Greetings.
Hello.
I am under attack.
My ultimate is ready. Saddle up. Hey.
Hello. Ciao.
Just a minute.
Game over!
Double kill.
It's time.
Uh-uh. Not bad at all.
Greetings.
Hey there.
Garden secured. Next, flashpoint. Resort.
Hold on.
Going round.
I'm really feeling the heat.
Flashpoint unlocks in 10 seconds.
Nobody cares about
Take the
objective.
objective.
Hello. Peace be upon you.
Hey,
Flashpoint
they're on the
unlocked.
point. Send them packing.
We are outnumbered. Be cautious.
Not bad at all.
Oh shit.
They still haven't seen my ace. My
Ladies and
ultimate target.
gentlemen, start your engines. Helden sterben nicht. Around we go.
Now that's how it's done.
Locking satellite vector.
Experience tranquility.
Pardon me. Really underestimating me?
It's time.
Easy pickings. Just watching your back. I feel like a new man. Oh, excuse me. Lucky shot.
Lost. Flashpoint Bazaar.
Bit early to dust off the boots.
Flashpoint unlocks in 10 seconds.
Over here.
Flashpoint
Push him off the
unlocked.
point. Hold up now.
Game over! Bullet time.
Too early to kick the butt. I need a medic. Hello. My ultimate is almost ready.
Guns out.
Oh, excuse me.
Helden sterben nicht.
They're on the point. Send them back.
Experience.
How's it going?
Enemy was revived.
Hey there. Thank you. It's high. No one can hold. How's it going? Thank you kindly. Hold on.
Fucking satellite thing!
Victory. Play of the game.
No kill is truly clean.
Tank was good.
MVP.
Was there even any doubt?
Let's not buy the pig while it's still in the bag.
This is so funny. Let's play this small guy.
Now traveling to Petra.
Tools in hand, brain in gear. Fired up, aren't you? Let's not buy the pig while it's... Trust me. You should try my meatballs. No, they're hurting my turret. My precious Hey! You should try my meatballs.
You should try my meatballs.
Now entering midfield.
Arrows in hand, brain in key.
Nothing in this world is deserved. Whatever you want, you must take.
5'te geleceğim. Apex geç seri. 5 saatte yani. Daha bırak. Atıcı seni. Oğlum ağzıma sıçtılar la bugün.
Let's not buy the pig while it's still in the bag. You should try my meatball. Hear me, baby? Hold together. You should try my meatballs. Hear me, baby? Hold together.
5,
Hear me, baby? Hold
3,
together.
2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Tonight, we will put them to rest.
Canım.
High hopes for you. Time to let off some steam.
Canım espera. ¿Qué pasó? Dime.
Enemy discovered. High road. Killing pile on the floor.
Ha. ¿Qué? ¿Qué juego es? ¿Pero qué juego? Preguntas. ¿Qué juego yo? Yo no lo sé, Karen, tú sabrás mejor, ¿no? ¿Qué es lo que pasa? ¿Te deja jugar o...? ¿Pero qué es lo que pasa? ¿Por qué no te deja? No entiendo.
You're all set up, Mikey. Yes. I'm overloading.
Minor herd unlocked.
Now we're talking. Got an enemy here. They're hurting my turret. Back to work.
Nada, es ocupado, cariño, ¿no lo ves? Por favor. ¿Qué pasa? Cariño. ¿Qué decías? ¿De qué hablas, mi amor? Ese es para ordenador. Se puede jugar si fuera... el de Nintendo, ¿sabes? Pero no es de Nintendo, ¿sabes?
I'm overloading.
Come on, man.
I still have some fight in me. Hello. Turning up the heat.
Welcome to Oregon.
Li Wan Kuang'an. Now it's going to get interesting.
We must accelerate.
Hello.
Team kill.
Nasıl özlemişim ben bu oyunu ya.
High hopes for you. I'm overloading.
Objective A captured. Hold it.
Back to work. My precious.
Careful, careful, careful.
Turret in position. I'm at maximum strength.
No.
chance.
What's the holdup? Get that thing going.
You should try my meatball. Now it's going to get interesting.
Molten core!
I'm overloading!
Come on. Tamam gel haberleşiriz kardeş. Biz sizin gibi satışçı değiliz yani kardeş. Biz oynuyoruz her zaman.
Baby's under attack! My precious work!
Let's get the payload going.
Not too shabby! They're going to love this! Hurting the fellow! They're hurting my turret! My baby destroyed!
Nice.
Payload moving! Maximum power!
Enemy spotted.
Turret in position!
He said no to Aikido, so...
I'm overloading! Turret's under fire! Payload's chugging along!
Oh no, so many teams.
Not so fast.
My ultimate is charging!
60 seconds remaining.
My ultimate is charging! Over here! Power overwhelming! I'm overloading! Ready.
Tank is low, tank is low.
Back at it!
10 seconds remaining.
Time is running out.
We
Charge!
build a new world. Teleporter materialized.
Body
Aligning sentry positions.
Defeat.
Oh my goodness, so bad game.
Play of the game.
He's cooking, he's cooking. He was cooking.
MVP.
Someone needs to show how it's done.
Vote for your map.
Eto neredesin lan? İşte misin hala?
Traveling to Havana.
Ya sokacağım bu YouTube'a.
Prepare to attack.
Çeviriyor bana yazılan İngilizceyi anlamıyorum. Zaten senin Türkçen de kötü ya. İngilizce çevirince de kötü oluyor kanka, anlamıyorum.
Someone needs to fill this saddle.
Don't worry, I'll call the shots.
Uh-huh.
You haven't slept.
Yeah. Was up last night. Thinking about who we used to be.
I try to focus on the good times.
Hey, yeah. We did have some of those. Now that's how it's done.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Escort the payload.
Hey, how you want? Quit making yourself an easy target. Uh-huh.
Behind you.
How's it going?
No.
They still haven't seen my ace.
Payload secured. Let's move.
No. Group up with me.
Man, they are destroying us.
Eyes sharp this time.
We really need the payload to move.
Uh-huh.
Shields under fire.
Game over!
Bad at all.
Into the iris.
No.
Where was I? My ultimate is ready. Saddle up. Dead eyes ready.
I'll drive.
Not bad at all. There's one.
Minor perk unlocked.
Won't say no to that.
Going loud.
It's high noon.
Go, go, go, go, kill them all.
Maybe a different angle.
I am on fire!
Payload's under my control. Let's roll out. Hey there.
Bullet time.
Over to me.
Behind you.
Fucked up my abilities.
bit early to dust off the boots. Let's stick together. Just a minute.
Get to the payload!
Using firepower. 60 seconds remaining.
I have my ultimate.
Excuse me.
Behind you.
Pass into the iris.
Nanoboost administered.
Game over!
Come on, let me go.
Remaining.
They still haven't. My ultimate's ready.
It's loop I'm in.
10 seconds remaining.
We're running out of time.
Over here.
وريهم قوتك. See what I've become.
Hold up.
It's time.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nah, GG's. Nice try, man. We tried. I could play better, but
Turn it up in my headphones.
the tank was so annoying.
Select a map. Now traveling to Busan. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1. Capture the objective.
I see an enemy.
Someone needs to fill this saddle. Hey, you sure are something special. No.
The objective is yours.
Don't let them take the point.
Shields out. Over here.
Easy. How's it going?
Bullet time. Breaking out the bullet.
Now, hold on.
Shielding. Using firepower.
Taking the objective. Round up.
Don't let them take you.
No.
Taking damage.
Game over.
Nanoboost administered.
Where was I?
I am unbreakable.
Excavation initiation.
Ow, ow, ow, ow.
Just what the doctor ordered. Oh, excuse.
Enemy over there.
We're outnumbered. Stay frosty.
No, man.
Be a different angle.
First round lost. Score 0-1.
Not bad at all. You done? I'll have another.
Drop the pride
Don't
and discipline will
sass
take
me.
over.
Don't sass me. You done? My ultimate's charging.
4, 3, 2.
I'm trying to kill the healers.
Capture the objective.
Hold it together. We haven't lost yet.
I see an enemy.
Over here.
I'm taking the objective. Fall in.
Hey.
Occupying the point. Here is sword.
Now, hold on.
Double.
Good thing you ain't alone out here. Hello?
Securing the point. Fall in.
Hey there.
Enemy over there.
Hey.
Major path unlocked.
Don't move.
They don't stand a chance.
My ultimate is almost ready. Get in there. Don't let him take the point. You're not the first to learn that
I see
lesson.
an enemy. Over here. Over here. Try harder next time.
My ultimate is ready. Saddle up.
Shield out.
Hold up.
At ease.
Dead eyes ready.
Guns out. Over here.
Easy. I never miss my mark. Hello?
I see an enemy. Picking up the bullet.
Hey. Thanks. My ultimate is ready. Saddle up.
Booster's hot.
Don't move.
Nanoboost
Come on,
administered.
Cole. Try a little hard. My ultimate's ready. Group up here.
Pass into the iris.
Push him off the point.
Overtime.
It's high noon.
Excavation initiation!
Firepower.
Nakanda.
I've got you in my sights.
Round two.
Don't sass me.
Score 1-1.
What up? What up?
In Egypt, cats were often seen as fierce protectors. And yet you seem more likely to protect your kibble.
Five, four, three, two, one. Round three. Capture the objective.
Good kitty.
This is it. Let's get it. Sure, something special. My ultimate is charging.
Picking up the board.
That is me.
Enemy contact. Need to reload.
I need a doctor.
Enemy over there.
Behind you, behind, behind.
Now, hold on. Get in there. Don't let him take
Oh.
No healer in sight.
No.
Going loud.
Hello.
This guy's cooking.
Dust off the boots. My ultimate is charging.
Enemy in my sights.
Back up. Going loud. Over here.
All patched up. Enemy turret here.
Occupying the point.
Bye.
Where was I? They're on the point. Send them packing. They got us. Dead eyes ready. My ultimate's ready. Dead eyes ready. Deploying explosives.
At your side.
Over here.
I'm under
Need
attack.
healing.
Helping you out.
My ultimate's ready. My ultimate is ready. Saddle up.
Your ass is within my reach. Nanoboost administered.
Bro, ult me.
Defeat. Play of the game.
Okay.
Epic.
No worries.
MVP.
Hey, it was a team effort.
Vote for a map.
Pone muy nervioso. No sé por qué. Es como diciendo.
Now entering.
¿Ah? Dice Asbro yo, recoger todo.
Is all I have left.
I know she's still in there. If I could just run some tests.
No.
Every battle makes me stronger.
Such mastery you possess. An honor to fight with you. Rather admirable,
Stay
aren't
inside.
you? No
I'll
one
keep you
can
safe.
stand in your path. I see you are worthy. Such mastery you possess. An honor to fight with you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing.
I'll find them. Found you.
I'm here, hon.
Scanning.
Draw strength from nature.
I am on the objective. Report here now.
We got there.
Seizing the objective. Rally here.
I'll find them. Who will join me on the objective? Put them in the ground.
Seizing the objective. Rally here.
See through the wolf's eyes.
Take everything.
Your concern touches me.
Scanning.
No one can hide from my sight.
Oh, come here! The
I'm on the objective.
wolf marks his prey.
Minor perk unlocked.
My ultimate is charging. This will help.
Surging!
You can't hide.
A trail of blood.
I'll find them.
We are outnumbered.
No.
Oh my goodness.
My ultimate is charging. See through the wolf's eyes.
No one can hide from my sight.
The wolf awakens.
Tengo que irme.
Apagando las luces.
A taste
No
of
way.
Team kill.
My ultimate is almost ready. I'll find them.
My ultimate is almost ready.
The wind lifts my arrows however far it must. Oh,
Heroes never die.
a testament to my skill.
Surging!
Put them in the crowd. I'm claiming the objective. Crush. You can't hide.
Fire in the hole!
Scanning.
Objective A. Escort the payload. Major path unlocked.
Yes.
Enemy in my sight.
A fated path. Enemy detected.
This will help you.
The payload is progressing nicely.
See through the
I'm here,
wolf's
Hanzo.
eyes.
Be careful.
You on
Shimaba.
No. Over here.
Careful behind you.
The wolf marks his prey.
Let the kitsune guide you.
Come on.
The payload stopped.
My ultimate is almost ready. You can't hide.
I see one.
No one can hide from my sight.
I need healing.
Hey.
Oh, come here! Take your foot Willpower burns within me.
Do not provoke me.
Scanning. No.
I'm with you.
Be careful, Shimaba.
Over here.
Heroes never die.
See through the wolf's eyes. I am moving the payload.
Restoring balance.
I'm here, Hanzo.
60 seconds remaining.
Where are they?
The wolf marks his prey. You can't hide.
30 seconds remaining.
The payload is progressing nicely.
No one can hide from my sight.
Oh. No, we lost.
Defeat. Play of the game.
Take everything from them. I will give you shelter. I will speak to you in the language you understand. Violence.
All good, guys. All good.
MVP.
This is not my victory.
These guys were so annoying.
History was forged by the sword.
Nice. Match so fast.
Nerf this!
Just started already?
Someone needs to fill this saddle.
Come here.
Double kill.
Hey.
Forward spawn
EMP activated.
Jumping out. Group up with me.
minor perk unlocked.
Hey there.
Going here.
Just what the doctor ordered. No.
Your team is close.
We're almost there.
No.
Death ain't on my doorstep yet. Won't say no to that. Uh-uh. Enemy's got the robot. Don't let him get away. Oh, excuse me. Damn it.
Double
Your carry is here. Eyes on the sky.
Easy.
Your team is close.
Oh.
Forward spawn activated.
We are throwing.
Lucky shot. My ultimate's
ESP
ready.
activated.
I'll never miss my mark. Pushing our barricade up. Just a minute.
the iris.
Ay.
Dead eyes
Is
ready.
close
A little later, we have the lead.
My ultimate's ready. Dead eyes ready.
Your team has taken the
My
lead.
ultimate's ready.
Keep pushing for the win.
Dead eyes ready. You know what time it is. It's high noon. Draw. Oh, Steve.
Breaking up the wall.
Gale the Mahal.
Taking the hits. Breaking out the bullets.
60 seconds remaining.
Not exactly what I expected.
Let the Kitsune guide you. Let's start the push.
What is better than pushing?
Thank you.
Nothing.
Much obliged. Thank you kindly. Thank you. Damn it.
30 seconds remaining.
Just a minute.
Into the iris. In my sights.
EMP activated.
Heat on them and this wind's on.
Triple kill.
There's fire. Pushing our barricade up.
Approaching the final destination.
You want this?
Victory.
Dun.
Play of the game.
Into the iris. In my sights.
Apagando las luces.
Alright, GG's. I'm going to stop. A long way.